Hey Capricorn, welcome back to the channel where we dive into the stars and uncover the best ways to navigate your month ahead. December is here and it's bringing the exciting opportunities for growth, collaborations, and a meaningful connection your way. Stick around because I'm breaking down exactly how to make the most of it. This particular prediction I have taken on the planetary alignment that is going to happen in the month of December and the impact on the Capricorn guys, as well as I have checked the energy through the tarot also. So this particular month Capricorn, first it seems like that December is your time to say yes. This month offer the exciting chances to learn and grow, whether through travel, education, or even stepping into a new role. Think of it as the universe is now ready to give you the blessings. How to handle this particular situation? Even if your schedule is jam packed, make room for these opportunities. They could hold you valuable insight or pave the way for the future success. Take the leap, you won't regret. So, this is a month where you have to prepare for an important meeting, and you should be ready for an important meeting because this meeting will be very important for you, whether it is related to the work related or a personal related. This meeting will demand your sharpest focus mentally and emotionally. It's your moment to shine, so preparation is a key here. And how to handle this particular situation? If you feel panic as the date approaches, consider rescheduling to ensure you are fully prepared. Remember, prioritize rest and emotional balance. You will perform best when you are grounded and clear headed. So, these things you have to take care of in the month of December. Capricorn, it seems like in the month of December, teamwork is on the priority. A group project or a is likely to come your way, involving a mix of personalities and the creative ideas. This could be at a work with friends or even with the family members. So how you have to handle this particular situation? You should be open communication, try to communicate clearly and avoid getting caught up in abstractic ideas. Keep your approach practical and be summarized to everyone is on the same page. Embrace the spirit of collaboration. It's all about bringing out the best in the group. This is a December is a month where you will be at a friendly encounter could turn into something extraordinary. This might be a romantic spark, a new friendship, or even a connection that helps you achieve a big dream. So how you have to handle this particular situation? Be open to the new people and the experiences, Capricorn. Take the time to explore what this connection might bring. It could surprise you in the best way. To wrap up, how will be the December month for you, Capricorn? December is a whole month is all about growth, communication, and the meaningful connection. Say yes to the new opportunities, even if they push out of the comfort zone. Prepare carefully for the important meeting. Your focus will pay off. Embrace the teamwork with a practical and a collaborative mindset. Be open to a unique connection. They could change your life. Trust the process, trust the universe. Start manifesting your month. Capricorn, enjoy the surprises this month has in store for you. You have got this. So that's it for the December month, Capricorn. If this resonates with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this particular readings with your friends and relatives.